Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to today's session, and the topic we were discussing, that is under the chapter The Rise of Nationalism Hero, and the topic we were discussing for the second day session, that is the French Revolution and the idea of nation. So the outbreak of French Revolution in 1789, the political leaders, common people, and the people, one who got involved in French Revolution, they witnessed to change uh, Europe from sovereignty of monarchy to the body of citizen. And for assuring this, most of the political leaders, common people, revolutionaries, and others, with keeping the common motto of making or creating sense of collective identity among the people. So these revolutionaries or the political leaders, they gave important for adopting important means and measures, principles. So the important means and measures we were discussing, and the first four important measures we discussed. Let us revise, recap, and we will go ahead to the remaining measures that are given stress in adopting. Number one, the idea of la patrie and les citoyens. The idea of la patrie, that is fatherland and citizenship. These ideas were given or they are emphasized so that all the people from France could have or they can get equal right to enjoy their assured rights under single body established named Constitution. Second one, a new French flag, that is tricolor national flag. It got replaced by former royal standards. Former royal standards, it is the flag which was given identity to particular monarch or monarchy or the dynasty or the family which got established in Europe or in different parts of France. This royal standard, it got replaced to tricolor national flag, which made collective identity to the France. Then third one, Estates General, that is the representatives, one who is going to be elected by the active people, active voters in France. These Estates General are the body of representatives where active people or active voters are going to elect. These representatives or body, it got renamed as National Assembly. National Assembly. Then fourth one, centralized administrative system was given importance to adopt to ensure uniform laws which can be applicable equally to all the people in France. So after discussing these four important means and measures, let us continue our discussion about the other measures which got implemented in Europe, which created the sense of nationalism or the idea of nation. Fifth measure or fifth principle, it is internal customs, duties and dues were abolished. Internal internal customs duties dues got abolished and uniform wage measures or measurements were given importance to adopt. Fifth one, internal customs duties and dues got abolished. ಆಂತರಿಕ ಸುಂಕ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಕಂದಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಹಾಕಲಾಗಿ ಹೊಸ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾರ್ವತ್ರಿಕ ತೂಕ ಅಳತೆ ಮಾಪಕಗಳನ್ನು ಅಳತೆ ಮಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. So internal customs duties dues got abolished and uniform system of weights measurements got adopted. Then sixth one, the spirit of nationalism, the spirit of patriotism among the people patriotism among the people encouraged, it created spirit to the people for composing various hymns, songs, prayers and others in the name of nation. I repeat, the spirit of nationalism, patriotism among the people. These spirits encourage people to compose hymns, songs, prayers and others in the name of their respective nation or in the name of their respective countries. ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ದೇಶಾಭಿಮಾನ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಾಭಿಮಾನ, ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕಾಳಜಿ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆಯ ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಗಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನರು ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಹೊಗಳುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ವಿವಿಧ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಹೈಮ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಗೀತೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಘೋಷವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು, ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಇತರ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ದೇಶದ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ದೇಶದ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದರು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಮೆಸರ್. ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್, ರೀಜನಲ್ ಡೈಲೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. DIALECTS, dialects means language. Regional dialects or language got rejected or refused, and French became the common acceptable language of all the people in France. Regional dialect or language, it got rejected and French became the common language of the people in France. Then next measure or next principle, The revolutionaries and French Revolution. The revolutionaries, political leaders and other people, one who got involved in French Revolution or France Revolution, they declared their mission or their action to liberate the people of Europe from despotism. The revolutionaries, the political leaders and the French Revolution, they clearly declared their mission, their action. It is to liberate the people of Europe from despotism and help other nations, other people of Europe to declare or to become nation. Despotism is, it is the established administrative body or government under single authority or single person. That is despotism, or we can understand as the form of government which is against to the people, like cruel. So French Revolution, revolutionaries, political leaders, they clearly declared their mission or their action to liberate people of Europe from despotism and help other people of Europe to become nation. So now recap or just glance how many points we discussed under the heading the French Revolution and the idea of nation. So idea of law battery, Laicitian, tricolor national flag, Estates General, centralized administrative measures, then internal customs, duties, dues, then spirit of nationalism created the sense of composing hymns, prayer songs and others. Regional dialects got rejected and French it got adopted or accepted as common language. Then despotism too became nation. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points we discussed. So before this I stressed clearly. So children, this is the important concept from the chapter where there is the possibility of raising question for 3 mark for any level of examination. Then after discussing this, I would like to assign you few questions or 2 questions, so that the question itself makes you to understand, recall and answer for better understanding of the concept. Then, before assigning a question to you people, so we created a WhatsApp group separately for boys and girls. Now, the question which I am assigning you as work, they are from the concept which we discussed so far. With the help of points which you made, with the help of source you have, that is textbook, reference book and others, so you will be able to attend to the given question. If you got or if you are getting any kind of confusions, difficulties and others, please feel free to pass a message in the created group. Then it's compulsory for you to prove the completed work given today by tomorrow evening. Then note down the question. Question number 1. It's like homework. Question number 1. Why and how was the change? Why and how a change brought about in Europe, which led to the rise of Let me repeat. Why and how a change brought about in Europe, which led to the rise of nationalism. ಯುರೋಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯತೆಯ ಭಾವನೆ ಮೂಡುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮೂಡಿದ್ದರ ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮೂಡುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಭಾವನೆ ಯುರೋಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿತು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ you have to recall what we discussed from introduction part, that is French Revolution. Then in the French Revolution, how people started to dream, visualize their future Europe should be. So that you need to recall and write. Then question number 2. Explain the measures introduced by French revolutionaries to create sense of collective identity among the people. Second question. Explain the measures introduced by French revolutionaries to create sense of collective identity among the people. ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾರ್ವತ್ರಿಕ ಒಮ್ಮತವನ್ನ ಏಕತೆಯನ್ನ ಮೂಡಿಸುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರೀಸ್, ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿಕಾರರು, ರಾಜಕೀಯ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಯಾವ ತತ್ವಗಳನ್ನ, ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಗಳನ್ನ, ಆದರ್ಶಗಳನ್ನ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮತವನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತಂದಂತಹ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ we discussed 8 different points. So the same 8 points will be the answer to the given question. So I repeat once again, these 2 questions given today, they are homework. You have to complete and you have to report the completed work via groups created in WhatsApp separately for boys and girls. Tomorrow by evening it should be submitted and it should be completed, and in any stage, in any level, or in any time, if you are having any kind of confusions, difficulties and others, so I repeat, please feel free to clarify your doubts. let us conclude the topic which we are discussing today. So, 8 proposals which got introduced, implemented by the French revolutionaries in Europe. These proposals and practices reached the different cities, towns, places in Europe, and many number of people, that is educated, middle class people, students and others, they came forward, they began to set up their own identities, groups, clubs, so that they can take part, they can involve in various activities, campaigns and others. The most important intention it is to motivate, create sense of collective identity among the people. So these activities of the different clubs, different associations, different groups formed by students, middle class people, educated and workers and others, they reached even the different parts, different corners of Europe, including Holland, Belgium, Switzerland, Italy by 1790, within 1 year. So it started to spread out in the different corners of Europe. Then what is going to happen? What were the different associations formed by the different people in Europe? So about that we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Up to that, have a nice day, stay at home, stay safe.